everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power x is equals to 5 power x plus 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start the today's video solution. So 2 power x is equals to, according to exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So it becomes 5 power x times 5 power 2. So 2 power x by 5 power x is equals to 5 power 2. According to exponent rule, x power m by y power m, we can write it as x by y whole power m. So 2 by 5 whole power x is equals to 5 square. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So it becomes x log 2 by 5 is equals to 2 log 5. So x is equals to 2 log 5 by log 2 by 5. According to log rule, log a by b, we can write it as log a minus log b. So x is equals to 2 log 5 by log 2 minus log 5. So now if you remember the values of log, you can put it. The value of log 5 is 0.6989, while the value of log 2 is 0.3010. So let's put the values. So x is equals to 2 times 0.6989 by 0.3010 minus 0.6989. So x is equals to 1.3979 94 by negative 0.3979. So the value of x is negative 3.55. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.